Try again. Ready? Come on. Sorry.
Oh.
Don't put that one on. I'm sorry. It's hard. Alright, where's Jemima? Come see me. Good job! You did it! You did it! Do you want more? You want the ball? Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get the ball. Let that go. Let go. Go get the ball. She's giving up. You went all the way across the room earlier. Come on. Go see Daddy. Go get Daddy.